Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a new Vegas Pro 16 tutorial on a masked title effect. It's a great and simple effect that's great for any type of introduction to your videos. So I'll show you how it's done. So let's insert a video track. Right click, insert text media. We'll call this Miami. Make it bold. And it's just scale up just a little bit there. Change the font color to transparent. Change the background to black. I'll go to Event, Pan and Crop. Select Mask. Select the Oval Creation tool. And drag an oval around the name. Position it. Let's do a fade in and fade out. So the final effect, let's change this so it doesn't lag. Looks something like this. It's a very simple tutorial, but it's a very effective title for any type of video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find it helpful, if you browse my videos, I guarantee you will find one in there you like. So once again, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.